In this video, let me show you how to check the MCU version in Dongfeng Box. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Here, let's open the car icon, this blue icon right here. And as you can see, you've got here access to few information about your cars and few settings that you can change. But this time in this video, let's focus on vehicle information. So on the left tab, let's use the last option. Here you can switch between three tabs: Vehicle, System and Mobile Phone Mirroring. Let's choose the second one, which is System. Select here the version information right here. And as you can see here, you can get access to a few interesting info about your car. This time, let's read the MCU version. This microcontroller unit version, this is like the low-level software that controls specific electronic functions like lights, windows, or motor controllers. And this long chain indicates the exact version of your MCU. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.